Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash two-wheel drive out with me, aka the cheapest Traxxas Slash Project. Now I'm traveling for work, I'm coming home from Houston, Texas, and I made another stop on my journey home. I am now in Louisiana, and I found this awesome park to bash around in. It has a little bit of a beach right here by the lake, which is kind of cool, so we should be able to get a little bit of sand action. I'm going to run around 3S, so let me go ahead, get it hooked up, and we're going to jump right in this video. Cue the music! Also, by the way, guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to slam that like button, and also make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, which I do on a very regular basis. And also I travel for work, which is what I'm doing right now. Basically travel all over the country. I stop with my RC cars and bash them, so I film videos literally all over the place, so you do not want to miss out on new videos. Oh no, we already hit low voltage mode, guys. That was only a 4,000 milliamp pack, so I didn't expect it to last very long, and unfortunately I don't have any more charged batteries with me. So this is a very short rip here in Louisiana, but if you did enjoy it, hit that like button, subscribe, and until next time, see you later.